In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. So we're going to start just by opening up the Facebook application. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the settings icon in the top right. Select Meta Account Center, scroll down and click on Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control, and select Deactivation or Deletion. Select the profile that you want to deactivate, and now you'll have two options to either deactivate your account or delete your account. Now, the main differences between these two options is that deleting your account is permanent, whereas deactivating your account is only temporary. So we're going to select Deactivate Account and press Continue, and it will just give you some more information about what deactivating your account includes. Then we can scroll down and press Continue. And finally, you'll just need to re-enter the password for your Facebook account. And just like that, guys, we have now deactivated our Facebook account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.